Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today's video is going to be about how to launch Facebook ads in just a few clicks within High Level. Okay, so it's going to be pretty quick to get these ads live. And again, if you've tried to run Facebook ads, you can't figure out Facebook Ads Manager. This is an easier way to do it right from within the High Level ecosystem. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. So once you get your high level account, again, there's a link down below in the description. You guys can get started with a 14-day free trial. Go ahead and check out the system, check out the software, see if it's applicable to you. Go ahead and get started with that link in the bio. So once you get your account, you'll have this tab right here called marketing. Okay, so you're going to click on that marketing tab. And within marketing, you're going to click on Ads Manager. Okay, once you do that, it's going to have you just sign into either your Facebook account, your Google account, your LinkedIn account, whichever account you want to run ads from. So for this example, we're using Meta, but you can, like I said, connect Google or LinkedIn. Okay, so once you're inside of your Ads Manager feature, you'll go ahead and click on Create Campaign. Okay, again, Meta is the only one that's integrated, so that's why these two are blurred out. But in the event that you connect your Google ad account or your LinkedIn ad account, you'll be able to select those as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on Meta, click Next. And again, right here is where you're going to decide if you have ads or again, ads are very quick and easy to make nowadays within ChatGPT or Claude. There's a lot of different AI image and video generators. So again, if you start making your own ads via ChatGPT, you can always click start from scratch and upload that media right within here. But for this example, we'll go ahead. If you don't know how to make ads, there's already templates that High Level gives you within this feature. Okay, so we're going to go Ad Manager templates. And again, there's a variety of different campaigns and ads already built out, right? So you can see there's 23 different ads for automotive, 18 for beauty and fashion, 21 for coaching, 24 for home services, right? There's a variety already here. So some of these have already been built out for you. So if there's some that are applicable, go ahead and use those. So we'll go ahead and use this as an example, right? You can scroll through here, see if any of these you want to run. But again, you'll just come in, pick an ad that you want to run, and just click choose. So once we select the ad, it's going to upload that ad into the template configurer, and we'll just go ahead and you can edit a couple details. So right from within here, the objective is lead generation, special ad category. Read the tooltips. Some of these ads will be applicable to you. If you're in banking, finance, like mortgage, those are kind of special ad category, but otherwise you're typically okay. Once you select the objective that you want to do, you'll go ahead into the ad set level. Again, you'll just make sure that the right page is connected. If you have an Instagram account, make sure that's connected. Set up your, campaign conversion objective. Right here, you'll set your budget. You want to do $10 a day, $20 a day, just put that in. If you're going to set a date for end date, you can also set that here. Right here, you'll set up your geographics, right? So, in the event that you want to do, let's say Florida, right? You'll just do Florida, the entire state. If there's specific regions, you can add, specific cities and zip codes as well, right? So you'll set up your geographic targeting. From there, if there's specific interests, things like that you want to go ahead and add, you can always customize those things here. Again, this is optional, not required. And then lastly, it's just going to be on the ad level, right? So this is a video ad that is within the high level templates. You can preview it, see if it's applicable to you. Again, if there's some copy that you want to add here, specific things you want to change, you can always do that. Adjust this, right? Maybe you run a 20% off offer, right? Just make sure everything is good. And once it's all set, you're just going to click review and publish. So as I mentioned, guys, right within high level, you'll be able to launch those ads right from within the system. And again, they have templates for you to already kind of go through and launch in a few minutes, right? I could launch this campaign. We're probably on for 2 or 3 minutes right now. But in the event, if you have ads that you know how to make or you like to make ads using ChatGPT or Canva or whatever, you can always upload that media right from within here. Again, the objective here is for you not to need to, log into Ads Manager. And for some of you, if you service clients that you run ads for them, this is an easy way for them to kind of run their own ads as well using the system. right? Again, once the leads, generated from this form or from this ad, they pull into your high level account, and you can set up all your automations and nurture sequences from there. Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next one. But again, this is just a quick recap, just overview about how you can launch ads right from within high level in just a few clicks. Took us, under 5 minutes probably here. And again, if you guys want to get started with a free trial, there is a link in the description. You guys can select a plan that you want to use and kind of go and explore the platform. If you don't like it, go ahead and cancel. But like I said, I implore you guys to at least go check it out, see if the system is a fit for your business. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one.